This is a 2013 F-150 XLT with the convenience package. You have the 18-inch chrome wheels, and it has some Yokohama tires with a ton of tread left on them. XLT, got the Ford chrome running boards. Has the window tint and the AVS rain guard visors on the top of the window there. Has a dual exhaust. It's a 5.0 liter V8. So it's got some custom exhaust on it. Then you have the Northern Tool and Equipment diamond plate toolbox in here. It's got the tray and the spray and bed liner, locking tailgate. It's got the tow package. Has 113,790 miles. Yeah, the gray cloth seats, power driver seat. You have the flip console here. Has some cup holders in the front. You have a power adjustable foot pedals. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. You have a 12-volt outlet and a storage compartment under the back side of the console there. LED blinkers on the side mirrors. You have the door keypad code entry. Has the automatic headlights. And it has a KENWOOD double din DNX 57 4S. There's your climate control. USB auxiliary. Little storage compartment with another 12-volt USB and an aux port. It has Bluetooth. cruise control. You have another 12-volt port here on the dash. It's remote keyless entry. Some storage. Seat folds up. There's more storage underneath here.